Our product services a large range of customers, including individual pilots, flight schools, aircraft fleet managers, and potentially insurance agencies as we continue to grow. We have strong roots in the Midwest and are dedicated to growing our business here in Kansas City. We are thankful to have received support throughout the city and to be a part of the thriving entrepreneurial community. The aircraft industry is already a huge part of the identity of the Midwest, something we are excited to contribute to. As ADS-B technology continues to evolve, we fully expect to be adopted by more industries. Drones are already in position to adopt ADS-B, and flying cars are right around the corner. As these industries evolve, air traffic awareness will be in the prime position to provide ADS-B compatible solutions. ADS-B technology is mandated by the FAA as of January 1st, 2020. Every certified aircraft has to be outfitted with an ADS-B out transmitter. These transmit a variety of useful statistics, creating a network in the sky of live data for all aircraft. At Air Traffic Awareness, we are one of the first applications to be built around the ADS-B technology, allowing us to stream real-time statistics to the cockpit through our portable device of choice. Leveraging ADS-B, we provide a safe, portable, and easy-to-use solution that shows you an interactive map of your surroundings during every stage of flight. We are compatible with mobile devices that have a third-party ADS-B in accessory. We also provide a standalone portable version which comes built in with an ADS-B in antenna. The state-of-the-art UI makes it easy to identify other aircrafts in the vicinity, as well as their distance and direction of travel respective to you. There are 3 zones on the interface to help the pilot. Blue is for the watch zone. Aircraft in this zone are 6 to 9 miles away. Pay attention to their flight path. Yellow is for the warn zone. Aircraft in this zone are 3 to 6 miles away. Be prepared to make visual contact if conditions permit. Red is for the danger zone. Aircraft in this zone are 3 or less miles away. Prepare to make adjustments to your flight path if the situation permits it. We are looking for active pilots to join our exclusive beta program to provide feedback and get a first look at our vision. Go to our website, airtrafficawareness.com, for more information and help us shape the future of pilot safety in the aviation industry.